last 4 years, I've been hearing, Luke, dropshipping is dead. Dropshipping is dead. Dropshipping is going to die. Dropshipping is hard. Everything's saturated. Ads are expensive. But what I've come to realize is that dropshipping hasn't died. It has merely evolved. Just like any other business in the world, whether you talk about sales, real estate, commerce, trading, any sort of business, it always goes through periods of evolution. Now, unless you are able to evolve, you will be crushed by your competitors. E-commerce, dropshipping, is very much alive and well. Now, the strategies, the tactics whereby you make it a success is a lot different. The paradigm is shifted. The landscape is completely different. But for us to just throw a blanket statement of dropshipping is dead, no. Maybe your ability to market is dead. Maybe your skill set is dead. What you might have to reinvent is that. Now, I understand TikTok is alive and well because we just did $1.7 million on a UGC store off of TikTok. So I understand it's very much it's very much alive. But people try to use the same tactics that worked in 2016 and think that the business model is broken because their tactics are broken. Now, tactics come and go. That's why I never teach tactics. I always teach fundamentals. I always teach principles that apply in business in a long-term scope, right? Because you don't want outdated information within 48 hours. But if you want to be successful in dropshipping in 2023, it's going to require innovation. Going to data of customers, if you understand current trends. For example, I have one of my students that during the World Cup, he launched a relevant product that was familiar with the World Cup. And he was doing, I think 19 or 20. I think his best day was $300,000 in one day, running, I think about $80,000 in Facebook ads. Obviously, it was trending because of the World Cup. Will it die down later? Maybe, maybe not, who knows? But the point is, dropshipping is very much alive and well. You just need to understand how to capitalize it. So when people say, Luke, is dropshipping dead? No, your business skills need improvement. They need refinement. And if you want to capitalize and you want to be successful, you need to be able to play by a different set of rules. Start being responsible. Start becoming a business owner. Start becoming a boss, and understand that dropshipping ain't about hustling anymore. It's about moving like a boss, about executing like a boss. And it's about treating your dropshipping business like a real fucking business.